Well, so the stuff that's been coming out of the rovers over the last almost decade now that we've had the Opportunity and Spirit and then now Curiosity, it's been really phenomenally exciting research. That there's really all these signs, really definitively proven now, I think, that there was water on Mars, running liquid water. Some of it was neutral pH, so where we expect to find life today, the kind of water you could drink, salt-free, neutral pH. So where on Earth we would definitely find life. So we don't think it's necessarily like that now, but it was at some point in Mars' history. So this is why Mars is such an exciting target, to look for signs of ancient life, signs of fossil life.
Raman spectroscopy over the last few years has been miniaturized by the European Space Agency and NASA, and it's slated to be launched in 2018 by the Europeans and in 2020 by NASA. And 3 types of Raman spectrometers will potentially be going to Mars.
So it's difficult even here on Earth when we can look at the rocks, pick up the rocks. Lots of us can tromp around the rocks and really see what we're dealing with. It's hard enough to figure out if something's life when we can look at geology and morphology in context. So when we're really reduced to chemistry and camera shots from far away, it becomes really, really difficult to ascertain if something is life. So in general, that's why we advocate having lots of different techniques. Craig touched on it some, but the reason we're so interested in Raman plus the GCMS is GCMS can be very powerful at giving you all the compounds that are in there, but it's one shot. There's actually a GCMS on Mars right now on Curiosity roving around, but they only have a limited number of samples. There's only, I don't remember, 10 or 20 sample vials. So you only have 10 or 20 shots to find a sample and identify it for life. And so what we're hoping to do is really provide a screening tool. You don't destroy your rock. You can screen as many rocks as you want to pick out what's best for those 10 or 20 shots you have on Mars.